Okay.
This is how we make snow pies. Chocolate, white chocolate.
Okay, guys, speak up. What is it?
A snow pie.
What's in it?
White chocolate, sugar, and vanilla icing.
Vanilla icing. What's in yours, Pip?
Chocolate and marshmallows. Oh, mine has a marshmallow too. And whoa! and candy, sprinkles, and this is gonna be a high big cake. So we need a lot of sprinkles.
Do you have to cook it?
No, I don't have to cook it. Here it is! Here! My pie broke. First, get snow. Here's my pie.
Holy cow, it's huge. What are you going to do with it?
Make another pie.
Make another one?
I put warm water in it.
And what would happen then?
And then it will go into snow.
Bye.
Not ready. And taste it.
Holy cow.
It's out of the container.
Wow.
See?
All right. See you later.